So apparently we should be rolling our NECA 12 times. That's how many rolls you should have. That's the traditional way back when Baden-Powell brought in the Scout NECA. 12 rolls for those 12 Scout promises. But we don't do that now. But here's how I roll my Scout NECA. There is 1,000,001 ways to do it. This isn't the number one way. This is just the way that I roll my Scout NECA. Let's jump inside and I'll show you step number one. First step, grab an iron and iron your NECA. Nice low heat. Get rid of those creases. And then holding your scarf outwards, just start rolling it up. Flick it over nice and tight. Just keep going until it stops. Just like so. And then fold it over in half, and then we're going to iron that nice and neatly. So you've got your scarf nice and rolled up like so. Now what we're going to do is just fold this, take this bit over there like that, and then we're going to iron this flat. And then turn it the other way, and then iron this side. There we are, nice ironed NECA. So that's how I prepare my scarf. And just to show you, it's from my friend Dave Gilden. Dave, thank you very much for sending me your group scarf. I will wear this with honor and pride. And then I just feed on it's my bone antler. I got this years ago, this one actually, at Gilwara Union. And there we are. Let me just sort out the collar and just smarten it up. So yeah, guys, that's how I make my Scout NECA look nice and smart. It's not the only way, 1,000,000 other ways. And I've seen it done, people holding it in teeth and spinning it around, or you can put it on an ironing board and then kind of roll it that way. There's loads of ways to making your Scout NECA look nice and smart, but this is the way I do it. Flick it, roll, 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 roll. If you're in the camp field or you're on parade and your Scout's come stuck in a pocket and you need to whip it really quick, that's how I do it. If you're at home, get the iron out and just make it look mighty smart and get that at the back. Get this looking really nice. And just put a bit of effort into making you look really proud. And take pride in wearing your Scout NECA nice and neat, instead of like it's been chewed on. Till next time, guys, see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods.